everybody, welcome to the Colorado Knits YouTube channel. My name's Carrie, otherwise known as Colorado Knits. You can find me on Instagram, Ravelry as Colorado Knits, and you can email me at hello@coloradoknits.net. This is going to be a non-knitting little piece here. I just got my Erin Condren Surprse Box, and this week my comment on notebooks really resonated, and I know there's notebook stuff in here, so I thought I'd do one of those like unboxing videos, but I don't have like the 2 cameras set up and all that stuff. And again, it's lunch hour at work, so it literally just arrived. I watched the FedEx guy drive away and I ran downstairs. So this is the Erin Condren Seasonal Surprise Box. It is $40 including shipping. They ship once a quarter. You have to get it every quarter. They don't have like an annual subscription. And it's filled with all sorts of planny goodness stuff. So I am a sucker, as I mentioned, for Erin Condren notebooks. Love, love, love them. So I do the surprise box. I don't always love what's in it, but it's $40, so that's a skein of yarn is how I justify it. So one of the cool things is it comes in these swanky boxes that you can use to re-gift in, or you can turn them inside out. I have one over there, but you can't see it. You can turn it inside out, and it's got a cute little message on the outside. So without further ado, I'm just going to open the box and find out what's inside. What they did differently this quarter is they did give you, I think they're learning from like FabFitFun that people like to be able to choose. So they had an option for you to choose. You could add on a journal. I didn't need that, even though it's a notebook. I don't need that. And you got to choose your cover. They do a notebook cover almost, or a planner cover. And you could choose one of 2 designs, and as a knitter, you know, when you see the one I choose, you'll know. So when you find balance, you find peace. This is the box you can turn inside out. This box is taller than most of their boxes and sort of squatter, and actually I like this because I put my laptop on these boxes, so I might be doing that. You'll see it comes wrapped in beautiful gold foil this month. And I keep like totally covering the camera, so I apologize. So, oh my gosh, they sent me bubble wrap. It's not even good bubble wrap. It's like eco bubble wrap. So, when you find balance, you find peace is this quarter's thing. We hope this joyful, functional fall surprise box helps you find peace and balance this season. This curated collection is meant to help you cultivate new routines and healthy habits from, I won't say what. So we'll start with the basics. The first thing is the planner cover, which I have project bags with very similar themes. So it was woodland creatures, or you could choose, I believe this box pattern was the other one, and that's just too fall. They have asterisk binder clips, so I don't know if I'll use these. They're very pretty, but I'm not sure I will use them. I don't know where I would use binder clips this big. Actually, one of the tricks you can do with binder clips is turn them upside down, and you can make them into note holders, so you can hold photos or whatever. I do have a lot of really pretty ones that I bought years ago to do that. That is in there. They do always give you a page of stickers, and as you can imagine, they are fall themed this quarter. It's pretty much a given. It's cute. It's got little mushrooms. It's got the woodland creatures. See, I'm blitzing through this. I'm not like, oh, do I love this? Do I not? This is a very functional box, so I really actually do like it. And then there is a sticky pad, and it is one long sticky notepad that has today's top to-dos, as well as today's self-care. I'll definitely use the top. I don't know about the bottom. I guess you could use that for like your habit tracking, like did I work out? Did I drink my water? That sort of thing. I know self-care is important. I just don't journal and do those sorts of things. And then like they do every box, they also include writing implements. And I'm sorry for the crinkling. I'm trying to be very cognizant of that. This is a Mid-Century Circles Fine Tip Pen Duo, sticking to the paper. So Mid-Century Circles in the, my nails are not very fall, obviously. And when they say fine tip, I'm imagining it's like a precision fine line writer, and they're both black. So yes, you can see that's very fine line. It would be cool if this were green or blue, but I know it's going to be black. Yeah, they're both black, but nice fine lines. So I love these. These are some of my favorite pens, and with the Erin Condren paper, it does not seep through. The final item, which isn't really the final item, but the final item that I have in the box is, I know what it is because they showed it. It was a sneak peek. And the question is, can I open it? Because it's a good box for gifting, for re-gifting. Like socks would fit well in this little box. It's a very good box for re-gifting, but I don't know if I can open it. It's very functional. Again, it is a pink and gold coffee mug, and it says "Change is beautiful." So it's very nice. It's not very big. It's definitely petite. So I don't drink a ton of coffee and tea, but when I do, I drink like boats of it. So, but this is very pretty. I had for a teensy bit sort of a pink rose goldish color theme going in this office, but I don't have a, but my desk pad is black and white, so I kind of threw that out the window because I needed something for my mouse to track on. There is one other item in the box, but it's not in the box. So they did have a zippered pouch, which would be perfect for like knitting notions or a pen case. And in production, when they sent out the marketing samples and they got their original ones and they sent them out to the influencers, it's a three zipper pouch. You can see it right there. The ones that they sent to the influencers look great when I cheated and looked online and stuff. But they sent an email the other day saying that the quality was not up to their standard. And so if you by chance got one in your box, which I did not, you were supposed to throw it away. Nobody's going to throw it away. Sorry, Erin Condren people. They really aren't. But they are going to send one under separate cover, which is a big investment because they ship stuff FedEx. So they're going to send it under separate cover, and they gave me a $15 discount on something. I don't know if I am going to actually ever use that $15. I'm trying to be good about not buying more notebooks because I have 15 notebooks. So let's see. The Binder Clip Duo is a value of $7.50, and it is an exclusive. The mug is valued at $16, so it's a good deal. It's exclusive. The sticker sheets are always exclusive. You can only get them if you order the package at $4.50. The zipper pouch that is not here is an exclusive. Everything is exclusive, actually. And that's valued at $20. I actually have a couple of the zippered pouches. They have this accordion zipper pouch I thought would be great for notions and stuff, for my knitting notions, but I ordered one and then they forgot to send something to me. So they sent me a whole nother order of the same stuff I ordered. So I have two of those and I've never really used them. They say the pens are a total of $16.50. That's a lot for two pens. These are not $8 pens. They're just Pilot V5s, basically. I do like that they are not roller balls because as a lefty, I can never use roller balls. And then the metallic sticky posts are $8. Oop, goodness, throwing them around. Again, I kind of like that. And then the cover, you could get Woodlands Critters or Watercolor Ombre Foliage, which is the box. So the woodland creatures, and those are $8, or $8, yeah, because I order extra covers all the time. But I actually really like this. You know, the colors are not my colors. If If you know me, brown is not my thing, but the foxes and the bunnies take it for me. So super cute. I am actually pretty pleased with this box. I will use everything in this box now that I realized I can, trying not to crinkle, how I could use the binder clips. I think I have something that I would use the binder clips for. I think it's great if you get a really nice postcard or something from a friend, you know, it's snail mail. But like I said, you can just, here's a sticker I can put in just to show you what I'm talking about. Or I guess here's a postcard. So turn it upside down. And then you can post that. You can use it, you know, as a card holder or whatever. So, I mean, yes, I could I use it? Does not want to stay up. Okay, it is staying up. Could I use it on my planner or whatever? Sure. But it's kind of big, so I don't know that I would actually use it. So I will use everything in here. I think where it says today's self-care, I will probably, you know, put the things that I want to do, my workouts, my water, whatever it might be. And then my top to-dos, that's like a given. I might make it a week. I might use it on the left side of my planner and just put this as my main to-dos for the week or something. I don't know. But a pretty good box, one of the best boxes I've gotten so far. So for $40, highly recommend it. If you're interested in Erin Condren, there's an affiliate, excuse me, affiliate link below. You get something, I get something, we all get something. It's wonderful. So I'll be back, excuse me. Most people might drink coffee or water or something. No, Diet Coke is my poison. I will be back next week with knitting content, including a secret knit that I cannot show, but I can talk about it, that I'm knitting it. But until then, have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.